I know that we believe that everyone knows what we're doing. Like we probably feel like we're screaming it from the rooftops, right? And everyone, surely everybody on Facebook land knows what you're doing. You know what, girl? They don't. Okay. So I would encourage you, write this down. I want you to find 10% of your friends list. You got 100 friends, that's 10. All right. You got 1,000 friends, it's a little more. But guys, if you're in business to serve, right? If that's truly your mission, if you're here to serve, you got to reach those people. Okay. So now how are you going to reach these people? You can't be like, inboxing them with these type of scripts, which I don't agree with, but if that's what works for you, that's fine. But I don't like that, hey girl, I'm selling weight loss products. Are you interested? I cannot tell you how many of those I've received because it hurts my feelings. Like, it's like, what were they doing? Going through their friends list looking for overweight people and they landed on me? It's hurtful, okay? So be kind in your messaging to people, right? Don't go smack dab with, yo, I want you to buy something from me. Remember, the blessing method, you want to connect. You want them to feel special. And I know a lot of times we get tripped up on the words, and I'll just give you a couple things that you can do that will help you with your words. Okay. So first of all, you're going to want to make sure that you're showing up online and make sure that when someone goes to your profile page that there's not a lot of negativity and controversial things and things like that. If that's how you want to be, I would create a second, Facebook profile, okay? Because people are going to be nosy. I always say, touch your nose. They are nosy. You're going to message them about whatever it is, and they are going to be like scrolling through your Facebook to see what you up to, right? Okay, so clean it up a little bit or create a new one, all right? Don't do controversial stuff. Just keep it light and fun. You could do your doggy pictures, whatever you want. Don't spam people with your business. Attract them to you. That's for another day. I teach attraction marketing. Okay. So listen, you're going to clean up your page and then you're going to message people or you're going to like their picture. You're going to keep your algorithm up, right? You're going to be maybe spending 15 minutes a day in the morning and 15 minutes at night. Go into the stories and like people's posts. Okay. It's going to push your algorithm up. All right. Now they're going to start to see you. This is crucial if you want to follow this method I'm talking about. I've got many of them, but just the one I'm going to share today. Get that algorithm up. Do it this weekend. Okay. Do it from now until Tuesday. Get it up, get comfortable with, reconnecting with people, okay? And show up yourself, right? Like post something and then, get interaction so you feel comfy online. But again, the algorithm is key. We need people to not scroll by. So if Facebook sees that 27 people, for example, this video, let's say Facebook sees me talking, right? And 77 people just go past this video and they don't comment, do you know what's going to happen in this group? It's actually going to hurt this group because they're not going to show as much information to people in this group. So if you're in a group like this fabulous group, you want to be commenting with 3 words or more underneath like this video or anybody else's video. It's going to help your information to be seen. Okay, so you've done the back stuff. Okay, so now what do you say to these people? You said, Erica, that you were going to get us pre-qualified leads. Okay, so how do I do that? My method is surveys to sell and feedback to close. Surveys to sell and feedback to close. What does that mean exactly? All right, well, this is my thing. I do want to serve many, right? But I can only serve if I know what they're interested in, okay? I only speak to people about what they said they were interested in. Did you hear what I said? I only speak to people with what they said they were interested in. Okay, so let's say I'm in the skincare business, right? And I have a survey and it asks them, are you interested in these things? Anti-aging, acne, just balanced skin. Are you interested in eyeshadow or makeup, right? Okay, so let's say they checked off acne. Should I be talking about foundation and anti-aging? No. I only speak with what they are interested in. And why do I do that? Because it shows I honor them. It shows I care about them. They're going to trust me, right? People buy from people that they know, they like, and they trust and that they remember. People remember how you made them feel, okay? So it's so important that you have that connection. So I reconnect with people. I put out my surveys. People fill out my survey. And then I have a chit chat with them, okay? And in 15 minutes, I can just serve them and show them what it is that I have that solves the problem that they said that they needed help with. Is this not genius? Are you mind blown? Yeah. So imagine your time is more efficient because now you are in front of people who actually want your product and your service. Okay. So then you have a chit chat with them. You show them like, oh, they have problems with hydration. Let's pretend this is vitamins. Okay. So they have problems with hydration and low vitamins. And you're like, oh, this is great. So I saw that you checked this off. I just want to show you what I have. This is a vitamin water that will help you with your hydration. It's $19.95. What are your thoughts? It's simple and it's fast, okay? I don't spend a lot of time doing things, but I'm very efficient. So let me ask you, would you rather spend hours on Facebook searching and searching and searching, or would you want to just narrow it down? This is what you do each day. This is how you reach out. They answer the survey, you have a chit chat, or you send them to a website or a video, however you want to do it. I personally like a one-on-one because I like that connection, but of course you could do it however you want. And that's it. And then they go into my cycle of automation and my business works in the background and it takes care of them. So that's how I work and that's how I do the blessing method. I have a systematic approach of exactly how many times you have to reach out to people, the exact words that you need to say, but just focus on that. Like, how can you serve?